Solving quadratic equations using the square root property. We'll demonstrate this using some two worked examples. We have x squared minus 25 is equal to 0. We are required to find the value of x. What we do here, we'll go ahead and say x squared with this is negative 25, so we bring it that way. It's going to be equal to positive 25. Now, to get the value of x, it means we're supposed to find the square root on both sides. So we find the square root of that and of that. Now, of course, this square root and that die, so we remain with x giving us. Now, the square root of 25, here it is 5. But this is either plus or minus. So it is either plus or minus 5. So it means x has two values. So x is either equal to 5 or negative 5. So as far as the square root property is concerned, we know that a square root of a number is either a positive or a negative. Why? Because 5 times 5 will give us 25. Negative 5 times negative 5 will still give us positive 25. So square root of any number is either a negative or a positive. So that's how we solve that. Let's do one more example. In our second example, we are required to find the value of p. Again, we are going to try to attempt. We first make p the subject of a formula, so it becomes 4p is going to be equal to this negative 1 comes that way, it becomes 1. So when we divide both sides by p by 4, this and that go, we remain with p squared giving us a quarter. But we are not interested in p squared, we are interested in the value of p. So to remain with p here means we are supposed to find the square root on both sides. And of course here the square root of a quarter is either a positive or a negative. And so here the square root of 1 is 1. Because 1 times 1 is 1. The square root of 4 is 2. So it means we are going to either have positive or negative a half. So it means p is either a half or p is also negative a half. So those are the two values of p. This brings us to the end of this video. Thank you for watching. If you need more of these videos, I encourage you to subscribe to this channel. Otherwise, for Kisembo Academy, this is Arnold Rangakuramia.